Hala, hala, hala.
Parang sona pala to ah.
Binidyo mo?
Ito na, tagal nung isa eh. Yung kanina pa video ng pa video oh.
Kaya nga eh, wala kang support.
Daddy, hawakan mo daw siya.
Baby, magtalis na.
Oh, ano ba? Sino? Pinangalap si Justin Bieber oh. Fun na fun.
Sino to tayo? Baka mo ito na lang.
Sa taas. Naman si
Sa ano eh, kita yung
sa gilid.
diyan ka na para kita mo yung side. Oh, gusto.
Tamiel.
The right side is the oldest Italian restaurant in Hollywood. 1949. This is where Frank Sinatra performed. If you like Italian food, that's a good place to go.
Do we have to hike or...
You can hike, you can ride a horse, and we have a camera car. You can tap and do. We have everything else we can use. Did you guys see the house?
Yeah, it's just perfect to take a shot. How much is a house here?
Gamers in the bus, anyone play GTA 5?
I only watch, but I don't play.
Have you watched?
Yes.
I don't know if you got a reference to what this is. If you got a reference, this is not. But this is Franklin's house, yep.
Actually play the game, it looks real.
Ay, nantipolo.
Oh, yan na. Ang dami niya na nakikita.
Are we good?
Behind the scenes.
But paano ba maganda?
Uy, ito pala oh.
Malis na.
Oh, tayo. Sige, game.
Asan yung gusto ang gulo?
Dala, video ko lang itong dalawa nag-e-end. Cheese!
Eye straight.
Cheese! Smile!
Look at here.
Picture.
Oh, one more. One more. Turo, yung gulo mo. Go.
Sili.
Like this. Go.
That, okay? And then you press this.
Okay.
Pag di ka, i-selfie mo na tayo ng apat mahal.
Like that.
Nangawit na eh.
Alam ko na. Siri, you press this, ha? O Siri,
Okay, press it and quick.
Alaki ata kasi ng cellphone.
alam ko na.
Tayo.
Timer.
Tayo.
Wait lang, ha? Or may timer ka.
Son, just hold and steady. Okay?
Hold. Okay.
Mapumuli ko kayo.
Ramiel.
Yung,
No,
yung
that
burger
one.
kainin
The
mo
second
naman.
one. Gusto mo, ikaw na lang. Oh,
Ayaw
hati
mo?
tayo.
Ba't ayaw mo?
Ay!
Baby, ayan. Yan. And spread it out.
Yay! Like that!
Sige. Wow, what's that, silly? Laki ng uso. Baby, no.
Grabe.
Don't throw it in there.
Dahil mong pansa.
We're in San Diego!
Seryoso. Seryoso yung driver.
Kita yung puno, oh. Yes, may bago na akong driver.
Ayan.
Ayaw mo na? O, return mo na.
Dalawang piraso lang lumamag sila.